You arrived here today via one road or another, with some tricks up your sleeve. You've learned a few things, messed up a few, slayed a few, and forgot what you were doing in the first place more than once. Perhaps you've been circling a roundabout for months or years, unable or unwilling to peel off in a chosen direction. Or perhaps you've just conquered an autobahn of school, career, or family at a face-melting speed and screeched to a halt with your lungs pulsating through your eyeballs. Or maybe you're somewhere in between. Wherever you're from and wherever you're going, there may be some habits or assumptions you've painted on throughout the years about how someone like you can or cannot be. Our minds and bodies are spectacularly functional structures. They're just encased in a little fog, and they need a good strong wind. The Habit Trip is an interactive storybook in which you are the lead character and the one and only expert. It's a practice of proactively fortifying your body, heart, and mind with life-giving changes, microdoses of solace and structure in response to the mayhem of daily life. By the end of the book, you will have built a personalized platform of behavioral reinforcements for both high and low stress periods of life. Once you have the tools, you can apply them over time whenever you feel like it. You already have the answers. The Habit Trip will help you find them.